Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I'm checking out today Mabox Linux, a fast, lightweight and functional Linux desktop with a rolling release based on Manjaro featuring the Openbox Window Manager as its main desktop environment. Mabox Linux offers a unique idea of having Openbox Window Manager as its user interface. As you know, Openbox is a floating window manager that is lightweight and fast and keeps you from the hassle of having a bloated desktop environment. So let's check Mabox Linux out. First of all, the installer. As Mabox Linux is based on Manjaro, it uses the Calamaris installer. So nothing new here. I'll skip through this. When installed, we are greeted with the Openbox beautiful window manager with a green accent, reminiscent of Manjaro Linux, with a welcome screen. As we see from the desktop, we have a lot of widgets and a panel on the top with launchers and system tray. The Openbox also provides a right-click menu to see your apps. The default file manager is PCManFM. The default browser is Firefox. And we have the PAMAC software manager. On the desktop, there is a side menu that offers quick navigations, Mailbox tools. You can change the wallpaper here and stuff and search for apps and files. Mailbox also comes with the Mailbox Control Center app that provides helpful features like managing users, seeing how much packages you have installed, installing a new kernel, among many other things. It even offers a way to install themes directly from here. It's a very useful control center. There is also another app that is related to theming. It's called Mabox Colorize. You can use this app to determine your colors of your desktop. So overall, Mabox Linux is an interesting Linux distribution that offers a unique features like Mabox Colors and Mabox Control Center that help you along your Linux journey. And the base on Manjaro means it's stable enough. It's a refreshing view. Tell me if you like this distro, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.